In this video, I'm going to show you how to check if your Exness account is verified. Now to do this, first you want to sign in to your Exness personal area dashboard, and then from here there's a few ways to tell. Now usually if you're not verified, it's going to give you this banner up top, which of course says hello, fill in your account details to make your first deposit, and of course that's kind of is going to indicate your account isn't verified. But to really check, go to profile here on the left and click on verification. If it says not verified, your account is not verified, but if it says verified, it means of course it's verified. If for some reason you can't see the verification button here, go to the top right, click on your profile icon and click on profile. From here it's going to say of course account status verified if it's verified, and like you can see on my screen, not verified in red if of course your account hasn't been verified yet. And then if you want to go and verify it, you can go down here and complete all these steps. So confirm email and phone number and personal details, identity verification, and then residential address verification as well. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.